Let's turn off Quick Chat in Among Us Mobile. Now open up the Among Us app on your iPhone or Android, works the exact same. And I'm going to walk you through two different examples. One where you create your own game, and then the other one is where you just use a game that's online. Now let's first tap on Create Game. And if you don't want Quick Chat, you'll be able to see at the very top, let's go over to Chat. And you can see Quick Chat is an option. However, you can disable it by switching over to Free Chat instead. Now you can just go through the process of hitting Create Game and start playing that. However, let's say instead of that, you just want to find a game online and you want to make sure that game doesn't have Quick Chat enabled or it's turned off. What you need to do is filter basically for these games that have that setting. So tap on filters here. And now from here, you can see I can filter it for just free chat, aka not quick chat. After I've done that, let's hop out of here and you need to make sure that you've hit the refresh button, and this will only show you games that have that quick chat disabled.